at Sugar River Raceway. It's a vintage night race in the summer. This is where you ought to be if you're vintage racing. There is no VKA event this weekend, so no excuses. But we'll see what kind of turnout we got. We're just got here, just got unloaded. And it should be a beautiful night, and we'll see what happens. They got rental carts on the track right now. They've been going all day long, rental racing. You'll see Malibu out there in the green. He'll probably be running a little bit of vintage here tonight. He ran with us over at VKA Del Mar. Late September. The dates that were traditionally VKA Del Mar are the vintage race here at Brodhead. It's a 2-day event coming up in end of September. You need to be here. Swap meet, kart show, exhibition practice, vintage practice, and exhibition racing. So Jackson Simler just pulled in. I'm assuming him and Riley are probably going to be running here tonight. We got Randy Duncalf here tonight. We got a few of the regulars, so we'll see what kind of turnout we have. But you need to come out to these, join in the fun, be a part of the action out here. Track's under new ownership again, so I just talked to the new owner here tonight. I'm probably going to try and run some of their Legends series. We'll get one of the old, it's an old Alley Cat, but it's a Alley Cat 7. They never made Alley Cat 7, so we made the Alley Cat 7 back and bent it up in our shop, and made it quite a few years ago. And I ran a little bit of Rock Island Grand Prix with it and really never did anything else with it. So we'll bring it down here and we'll run it down here. That's the goal. Run their 206 class with it. So gear change for me. Ignition for Rick over there. And that ended practice. So on to the heat races we go, and eventually the lights will turn on and sun's going down. Brodhead evening race. Good mix of karts here tonight. A lot of modern karts here. Pretty good class turnouts for a lot of it. A lot of the vintage guys here. New track owner over there. Track's changed. Don't see those big trees anymore. Sun's gonna be going down here pretty quick.